The ingredients I've used for this recipe includes 3 button mushrooms, half a tomato, half a lemon, green chili, curry leaves, and for the seasoning I've used curry powder and red chili powder. The amount is up to you. I've also used 3 cloves of garlic diced and a pinch of salt. What you want to do first is dice up the green chili. The size is really up to you, but I like to keep it a little bit chunky. Next, cut the mushroom in half and slice it really thinly. The reason why I like to slice it thinly is because it cooks faster. After you've done that, make sure to cut the thinly sliced pieces in half just so it's smaller. The tomato I've used here is called Better Boy, and I like it because it's a bit large. Now, the ratio I like to use is 3 button mushrooms per half a tomato. As you can see, here are all the diced ingredients. I don't like to use a lot of oil, so I've used a little bit of olive oil, and I've heated the pan using the garlic as a measure. Add in the green chili and stir the green chili and garlic all together. We're not looking for a color here, we're just trying to heat the pan up. Next, you're going to add all the diced mushrooms in and just stir it lightly. Again, you're not looking for a color change here, we're just mixing it all together and just heating everything up. Now we're going to add half a cup of water just to let all the flavors simmer together. Now we're going to add all the seasoning. Firstly, with the red chili powder, I've used 3 teaspoons worth, but it's totally up to you how much you use. And then also I've used 3 teaspoons of curry powder. After adding everything in, just mix it all together. Just as a quick note, the flame I used is a high flame once the water was added, but before the water was added, I used a low flame. Now we're going to add in the curry leaves and lemon. I used half a lemon and I used all of it because I love the flavor of lemon and mushrooms together. The final step is to add in all the tomatoes, let it simmer, and finally, enjoy. Now I like to serve this with a little bit of rice just because I think it goes really well together.